Welcome to our channel. Discover how to easily activate and use Hulu Plus Live TV in just a few simple steps. Right now, welcome to our channel. If you're ready to unlock a world of entertainment with Hulu Plus Live TV, let's dive into the step-by-step process of activating and using this popular streaming service. First off, make sure you have a reliable internet connection and a compatible device, such as a smart TV streaming stick, game console, or mobile device. Head over to the official Hulu website or download the Hulu app on your device. Once installed, open the app and select the option to start your free trial or subscribe to Hulu Plus Live TV. You will be prompted to create an account by providing your email address and creating a password. Or you can log in if you already have an account. Next, you'll enter your payment information to set up your subscription plan. Remember, Hulu Plus Live TV offers a variety of channels, including live sports, news, and entertainment. So choose the package that fits your needs. After subscribing, you'll receive a confirmation email with your login and activation details returned to your device. And sign in using your Hulu credentials. Once logged in, navigate through the menu to find the live TV section. Here you can browse channels currently airing your favorite shows. Click on any live channel to start streaming immediately. If you want to customize your viewing experience, Hulu Plus Live TV allows you to set recordings for your favorite programs by accessing the cloud DVR feature. Just select the show and choose the record option to save it for later. You can also personalize your profiles to keep recommendations and watch history tailored to each member of your household. Additionally, Hulu integrates popular add-ons such as premium channels and enhanced DVR options, enabling you to upgrade your experience whenever you want. Explore the settings menu to adjust subtitles, audio preferences, and streaming quality for the best viewing experience. Remember, you can watch Hulu Plus Live TV on multiple devices, simultaneously, making it great for families or roommates. Now you know how to activate and use Hulu Plus Live TV with ease, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the endless entertainment at your fingertips. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful streaming tips and guides.